Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Stephanie. Today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. This box came in a few days ago and this is my third time recording this video. It goes better than the last two times, okay? Yeah, and let's please address the elephant in the room before we jump into this video. My nails. I know my nails look super jacked up. These last four are hanging on for dear life because they know that they must go. So yeah, please excuse that during the duration of the video. But yeah, other than that, let's get straight into this Boxycharm unboxing. So jumping straight into the box, the theme this month is Boxy After Dark, getting us ready for the spooky season, you know, Halloween around the corner and whatever. So the first thing in the box is the Touch and Soul Glossy Pretty Filter. This is a skin balm, but it's more like a primer. Like I said, I already used this, so I'm already familiar with this. Honestly, it worked out very nicely underneath my skin. It minimized my pores. Everything that I'm pretty much looking for, it did. And it also kept me very dewy. I'm gonna apply this to my face. It's like a balm, as you can see. It's got a little balmy texture to it. I learned a little goes a long way, not to apply too much, because yeah, it's a mess. It can get messy. So I apply this all over my face, and when you apply it, it feels like a moisturizer, very smoothing. It smells delicious, like so good. It feels very nice on the skin. But after you massage it into the skin, it gets very tacky. It's giving me Milk Grip Primer vibes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my foundation and do all that fun stuff very quickly and then jump right back into the box so we can continue reviewing. Alright, I'm done with my face. I did a quick little beat down. Now jumping right back into the box, let's take out the eyeshadow palette we got this month. This is the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. It's a 5-shade palette, all mattes. And I already played with it. Colors are very pigmented, but the actual shadows are very powdery and it has a lot of kickback as soon as you dip your brush into the color. Than that, they perform very well on the eyes. They blend very nicely with each other. I'm gonna do a quick little tutorial with this, show you guys a quick little look using the palette, and I'll be right back. did a quick little eye look. Like I said, I've been playing with this palette for the last 3 days. You know, getting ready for the fall. Like, it's really cute. I love these cranberry colors. This palette is super, super cute. I'm going to quickly finish up, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back to dig back into this box and see what else we have in here. All right, guys, I'm done. I just put on my lashes, so that's good to go. I look really cute over here. I wanted to jump into the card because I didn't read the claims on the skin balm and also the eyeshadow primer. So quickly, I said eyeshadow primer, I meant eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette says it's a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye look. And that retails for $32. The Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glossy Skin Balm. It's an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So that's really nice. Let's jump into the box and see what else we can pull out of here. This is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. It says achieve effortless tamed and tinted brows with the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect use for over powder or pencil, which, you know, hello. In the shade Dark Brown, which should match me. The applicator is really nice. Let's see how it performs on the brows. That is the question. So I already did my brows. I didn't set them. Yeah, it's nice. It's applying and distributing the product evenly through my brows, which I like. And it's fluffing them out where they're not looking too harsh, you know what I mean? They're looking really pretty right now. I like it. And the fact that I can use all the product on this brush and not have to dip back into the tube, that's nice. Now I want to see how it lasts throughout the day and, you know, how it leaves my eyebrows. That's the real thing. Now jumping back into the box, I see we have 2 more products. This is the Iconic London lip gloss, I would assume. So it says the Iconic London it's a lip plumping gloss. It's an ultimate combo with non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with botanomics, which help support natural collagen production for more defined and voluptuous looking lips. So that's nice. I'm going to apply some lipstick and then apply this over top very quickly, and I'll be right back. All right, so I applied the lipstick shade. Well, it's Too Faced. It's by Too Faced, and this is in the shade Got Peach. It's a very peachy, you know, fall lip. I'm really digging it. Now what I'm gonna do is apply the plumping gloss over top, and honestly I don't know how I feel about plumping glosses because I don't like the sensation. Some of them really do hurt or sting my lips, so it's not a really nice feeling sensation. So I wonder if this is gonna do the same thing. This is all, if I didn't mention, in the shade Love Struck. So I apply that to my lips. It doesn't, it's not too goopy or thick. Definitely not sticky like it said. And it's nice nudie, like it's not adding any additional color to my lip that I can tell. It's just really adding a nice shine to my lip, and I'm already starting to feel the tingliness. So the question is if it's going to burn throughout the day. So I'm gonna test it out and keep putting that to use. All right, now I'm going to jump into the last product in the box, which is the Velvety Touch Pencil by Hollywood and Vine. It says line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Coat eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any deserved look, and that retails for $7, and if I didn't mention, the lip gloss retailed for $16. So I'm going to use this and apply this to my waterline really quickly, and I'll come back to let you know how I feel about this. Alright guys, I applied that eyeliner. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of it. It didn't glide on smooth or velvety like it claimed it is. Honestly, it's very rough and it hurt applying to my waterline only because I was applying pressure to try to get color payoff, and it really wasn't giving me any color. It swatched better on the back of my hand than it did actually applying to my eye, so it was a miss for me. Quickly just gonna give you a rundown of what I feel about these products in this month's Boxycharm. The eyeshadow palette, I absolutely love this palette. Like I said, I've been playing already with it for the last few days, and I created several different looks with all of these shadows, and they perform very nicely. They blended in with each other nice. The only thing, like I said, is the kickback, but if you don't mind that, it's totally fine. It's a nice shadow. I didn't mind getting it in my Boxycharm. It honestly made it worth it. The next product would be the Touch and Soul Primer. I absolutely love this. It left my skin feeling very nice and glossy. It added a nice little dewy shine underneath my makeup where my skin looks very natural and radiant. I'm not mad at it. And it does last well through the day because I am a greasy mess. It didn't add any oils or anything to my face where it made me look crazy, so I'm not mad at this product at all. It's very nice. The Tinted Brow Gel by MELLOW. It left my eyebrows nice. My eyebrows are not crusty or crunchy, and that's something that really worries me when I try out new brow products. And it left my brows looking very fluffy and feathery. So they're gonna keep using it and putting it to the test. But that was an A+. And the iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, I've been wearing it now for the last 20 minutes, and my lips feel absolutely fine. They look luscious, like they said, and it's not giving me an uncomfortable feeling. So I'm definitely throwing this in my bag because this is a must-have lip gloss. You can pair it with any shade and it's gonna look gorgeous. The last product that I wasn't a fan of in the box was this Hollywood and Vine eyeliner pencil in the shade Purple. It swatched better on the back of my hand than it did applying to my waterline. I didn't like it. It was very rough, not creamy, and definitely not velvety or smooth like it claimed it is. It really was a miss for me, so I'm not happy about that. The total value of this month's box came out to be $113. I only paid $22 this month. The last thing that I just want to quickly go over, you guys, is the new thing that Boxycharm is introducing in the month of November. It's Boxycharm 2.0. They're introducing just different perks that we didn't get before. So now the value of the box definitely went up. Was $100. Now it's going up to be over $125, and you're only gonna pay $25 a month. Customize your box, so you get customized foundations and concealers matched to your skin tone as well. That's awesome. And you get a choice as well. You get a choice of a product that you want to add into your box. So you don't just get what they choose. You get what they choose, but you also get a hand in what you're choosing. So that's cool. And they also have add-ons. So you get to buy products into your box that month. So you don't just get the 5 products that they send out to you. You get also a choice of other things that you want added to your box. So that's a nice thing added to the box this month. So yeah, I'm done rambling. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my look that I created using the products from October's Boxycharm. Please do not forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one.